Hey folks, it's Ron from Louisville, Kentucky. We're going to be starting a project on a 1977 Cessna 172N. Is in November. It was my dad's aircraft. We've had it 23 years and it's been in storage about 23 years. He never did fly it. He brought it home from where he bought it. It was together, ready to fly, and then we decided to take the wings off and bring it home, and then he passed away and it's just been in storage. So I decided today, which is April 20th, 2018, that I would do a restoration on it. In fact, I'm going to do a complete restoration and make it better than a brand new Skyhawk. At least that's what I hope. We're going to put all the speed mods on we can, which, yeah, there's a few out there. The engine mods, we're going to do exhaust, we're going to do air intake, we're going to balance and flow cylinders. And I'm going to take you through the project with us. So let me show you the airplane before we get started. And here's the fuselage. You can see I've got the nose wheel off. It's on the bench to be rebuilt. And I'll just walk around the airplane and show you. Interior is out. No instruments, no radios. Fuselage is in good shape. There's no accident history on it, at least that we know of. Horizontal stabilizer. There's the left wing. There's the parts of the tail, the vertical stab and rudder, elevators. We'll be reskinning all the control surfaces, and cowling will be, taking care of that. And so I'm going to do a YouTube for the community of a 172 restoration. I know others people have done it, and I thought, what the heck, if it helps somebody else. And we're going to touch every nut, every bolt, every screw. We're going to rebuild everything. So currently what I'm going to do is start on the wings, and we're going to put a stole kit on the wings, long-range tanks, and we hope to complete it by next spring, 2019. So I'm going to be a busy man. But stay tuned. We'll have plenty of videos that I'll show you how to do all this stuff to the best of our ability. And so let's get started.